I will admit, one of the reasons that I asked that question is because I have always been fascinated by the fact that as a retirement gift to Judge Williams, his clerks gave him a center. Like, who does that? Right? And I remember thinking to myself, like, I want to impact people like that. Yeah. To the point where they will do incorporation, they will write bylaws, they will set up advisory boards, like work that would have taken forever, and having been on the ground when it happened, his clerks were like, we're on it. I mean, mind you, I didn't even know Judge Williams. One of his clerks talked about him like he was her brother, father, uncle, and so I was like, the judge. Because that's what she says. The judge asked this, the judge asked this. So when like the opportunity came, I was like, oh, I know the judge. Had never met him. I know I'm the judge, so his reputation preceded him. And so I was always thinking like, what's that legacy question like? How do you like walk away and think, the folks who work with me and alongside me will appreciate the thing in such a way, not because he was trying to have it done, but because they thought this is what a good retirement, not a plaque, a gift is great, a whole center. So congratulations, and the clerks again.